In this video, we are going to see some how you can utilize the built-in modules in Python. So Python is having several modules built into it. For example, some of them are we have a datetime module, we have an operating system or OS module. So if you need to use the module which is built in Python, for example, for this case, we are going to use the operating system module as an example. So we can use that with the import function. So import OS. So we have imported the operating system module of Python. So this is built into your Python, and you can use this to perform some particular actions. So if you want to know the functionalities or the built-in options you have to use inside this module, you can do like a print statement of dir of OS, for example. So what this does is this will print out some stuff. Let me show you that. So if I do that, you can see we have so many options which we can try inside our Python program with the help of this module. So all these parameters are available if you import this simple module. So for example, I'm just going to clear this out. If I need to get my current working directory, so you can see it's inside my home directory, I have this Python directory. So I can do something like print of os dot get current working directory, that is get cwd, and 2 brackets. So if I run this program, it's going to print out where I am inside my system. Here you can see this is the absolute path. And the next thing you can do is something like you can make a directory if you want to print os.mkdir, and inside the brackets you can pass in the name of the directory. For example, if you look closely over here, we don't have any directories inside this, so we can create something like hello, for example. So if we run this program, it's going to create a directory. So let's run this, and here you can see we have a hello directory. Similarly, if you want to list the contents of your present directory, you can do something like print of os dot list directory, for example. This will give you like all options, like all the available contents inside your present working directory. So that is inside my home directory, this Python, and inside the Python directory, it's going to list everything what's inside that. So if I run this program now over here, let's go over here, try to do this, and if it fails, I can accept, can make it pass, for example. So what this does is this is going to skip this step if it fails. So if I run this, you can see we have our list, what's like the contents inside this directory, for example. So I did this because we already have the directory created. So if you try to create a directory in same name, you are going to get an error. So that's how you use built-in modules in Python. You can just search for the available modules in Python, and some of them are having like very interesting functionalities for this. So I hope this one was helpful. I hope you all have one.